back workout. Exercise 1. Welcome back. Today, we're building a massive back starting with dumbbell split stance bent over row back. Pull with your elbows and squeeze your lats. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 2. Moving on to dumbbell upright shoulder external rotation back. Keep your back flat and pull the weight toward your hip. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per arm. Exercise 3. Next up is the dumbbell bend over twisting row back. Keep your arms straight and lift to shoulder height. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 4. Now let's do dumbbell shoulder internal rotation abductio. Maintain a strong posture and pull the bar to your lower stomach. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe to Fit Motion for more daily workouts. Exercise 5. Finally, we have the dumbbell shrug back. Focus on the muscle contraction and maintain slow reps. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Go for as many reps as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.